The 2nd of July 2015, live project Operation CO2. We are with Marcel de Jong, salesman of PHC in the Netherlands, and he is coming to visit us and to see the differences between last year he was here as well and now. Marcel, what can you tell us?
We visited a couple of parcels today. First, out of the area here, we saw quite a difference between with the PHC product, the BioVin, and without. The soil was much easier to work on. What we saw here today in the holes that were digged in the different plots with PHC total, half of PHC, or without the PHC products, is that the depth of the root system is this year in the PHC BioVin products of PHC 1.90 m. Last year it was 1.35 as I remembered, and that's quite a difference of last year, but also between the parcels with the 100% of BioVin. 0.5% of BioVin was a root depth of 150, and without anything it was actually only 30 centimeters, and the soil was much drier in the top layer. We see quite a big difference in root depth, root growth, the total root volume in the soil with the PHC products, and also the production on the field this year.
Now, we have been using now 3 years BioVin, and as we discussed, Marcel, we are now trying also to use separately the bacteria and the fulvic acid. You told me that you are going to do trials in Belgium and the Netherlands as well. What are your expectations of that?
I think that with these bacteria and the fulvic acids, fulvic acid is the feed for the bacteria, that it will do a very good job in the soil. It makes free all the elements that the plant needs at the moment that the plant will need. And if we can regularly add those fulvics to these bacteria that we're adding in the beginning of the season, they will keep on feeding on the fulvics, and they will keep on transforming the minerals, nutrients that the plant will need. So the plant will grow easier, it will produce more sugars through the roots, so the bacteria can go on that also, and it will improve the soil faster and quicker than we can do it now. That's what I expect of this combination.
Fantastic. We are here, by the way, with our friends of the UPM in Madrid and Pedro Alonso of Beral. The UPM is the university in the Life 10 Crops for Better Soil project, and we have been studying together the results, and till now we are all very satisfied. Marcel, thanks very much for coming, and see you again next year.
Yeah, I hope so. Thank you very much.
Bye bye.